The William and Mary Law School has joined with Tsinghua University School of Law to present the 8th Annual Brigham-Kanner Property Rights Conference in Beijing, China. Each of the 7 prior conferences has honored a leading scholar in property rights theory. This year, the conference will honor retired Justice Sandra Day O'Connor for her contributions to property rights jurisprudence. I have also been honored to receive an invitation to speak at the conference. China is experiencing remarkable developments in its understanding and recognition of the role of property. It has amended its constitution to provide express protection of private property rights. But China, like the United States, faces challenges in the development of and respect for private property rights. There is a strong tradition in both nations that sees a false conflict between strong protections of property rights and more pragmatic concerns. In the U.S., redevelopment agencies have often failed to fully recognize the power of the free market in urban redevelopment and have condemned private homes and small businesses for politically favored developers, often with severe undercompensation. In China, redevelopment proposals often come into conflict with rural citizens whose property rights are less secure than they are in the United States. Rural citizens have complained in dramatic ways about undercompensation. The U.S. has a long tradition of allowing landowners to be represented by lawyers and courts who advocate for giving property owners all the protections for private property that the United States Constitution guarantees. China is just beginning to balance environmental and planning issues with the rights of property owners. In Beijing, I will be on a panel with David Callies, a distinguished property scholar from the University of Hawaii, to discuss the impact that environmental regulation has on private property rights in the United States. I am looking forward to the opportunity to address issues of property rights and why they are important on a global scale as a condition for economic development and individual freedom worldwide. In fact, as I will also stress, respect for property rights is often proven to be an essential condition for responsible environmental protection. When you weaken property rights, you undermine the incentives for effective stewardship of land, water, and air. I hope to see you in Beijing. Thank you.